Some days begin with responsibilities and some with excitement. But this one had both. It was Christmas, and I walked into the lab knowing two things: that work wouldn't wait, but also Secret Santa was happening that day. Very quickly, the lab felt lighter. We were writing clues in between protocols, hiding gifts in places only lab people would think of, and smiling over benches and pipettes. Of course, experiments still went on, slides were coated, samples were stained, but somewhere in between we forgot we were working. Then came the hunt. For a few hours, nothing else mattered. Some people found their gifts almost immediately, while others searched everywhere, tired, sweaty, but determined. Because the hiding spots were lab instruments, the clues felt like inside jokes and mini puzzles, making it a perfectly nerdy Secret Santa. We helped each other, laughed a little louder than usual, and slowly every gift was found. Sitting together and guessing our secret Santas was so wholesome. Special thanks to my secret Santa Ashidi for this tripod. This video exists because of her thoughtfulness. But lunch marked the end of playtime, and reality returned quietly. By the time I got back to work, it was already 3:30 and the lab was empty. The silence felt so comforting, the kind that makes you want to stay a little longer. And actually, I could stay throughout the night. But eventually, the day ended. My brother picked me up, and night had already settled in. On a whim, we went out to eat, a small reward after a long, long day. Too tired to talk, but too full to complain either. Back home, I realized probably this is what growing up feels like: holding on to responsibilities while making room for your little joys. Tired but content. How was your Christmas?